Let me show you how to use Clay to find leads that have recently been promoted so you can reach out to them, pitch your product, pitch your services, get them on a call, and sell them your product. What you want to do is go to Clay, go to Signals, and go to the Promotions tab. Here you'll be able to upload a list of your leads that Clay will track to see if they got promoted, and if they do, we'll actually set up an automation to reach out to them right away. So first, you can upload a CSV of your lead list, import leads from a CRM, or use an existing Clay table. It doesn't matter what you use. For this example, we'll use a CSV. Here we go, we have sample data uploaded. You click next, select the time frame, let's say 3 months, next, and select the frequency you want the automation to run at. This is how often Clay will check for those promotions and add them to the table, right? You click next, I chose quarterly, add enrichment, you can add any enrichment you want, emails, send a message to Slack, whatever it is, or skip this step, but I suggest you add something like email enrichment to actually get the email. If you don't have it already, which probably you do, because we'll actually set up a live sequence that automatically reaches out to the prospect once Clay adds the promotion, right? We do that, we click save, and now as you can see, Clay is waiting for events. Whenever Clay runs the automation and finds a new promotion, it will add all of the information here, like the confidence, previous title, new title, start date, and their LinkedIn profile. And what you can do then is actually use another enrichment tool to reach out to that prospect with the hyper-personalized email, pitch them your services, like I said, get them on a call and sell your services. And you do that by clicking enrichment, writing Salesforce, and selecting add lead to an existing sequence. Here you want to connect your Salesforce account, and you do that by going to Salesforce, going to settings, going to integrations, and clicking get new API key on Clay, click proceed, copy API key, go back to Clay, click add account, paste your API key right here, name your connection, save it. Now you'll need to map which workspace you want to push the leads to and which sequence you want to add them to. Add an email, right? Because we didn't have it. You most likely will have it in this tab right here, right? Now, when you map all of this data, you can save it. And then whenever Clay finds new information about these leads, basically them getting promoted, it will send the leads information to Salesforce, add it to a sequence, and actually send out the email right away. All of this without you needing to lift a finger. Now, if you want a full tutorial on how to use Salesforce to send out as much as 10,000 cold emails every single day, I suggest you take a look at this video.